RGC stock analysis and RGC stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. As I'm just overviewing Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. Bro, I know it's 4% up, but like, let's look at the broader picture. It pumped up, and all that's left for me is just like a second break. And yeah, like without this second break above 2130, then there's just no way that I'm gonna look to take it further up. But yeah, that's about it. We'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want my exact play, the blueprint of those 10k months, just click the first link in the description. It's absolutely risk-free. But with RGC, I mean, I'm here to tell you that I also have like a non-result section here as well with the Discord. So there's no lack of coverage, but I'm being totally realistic if there is no second break. And I'm very risk-averse, which I'll keep you updated on. But yeah, that's how RGC is looking like. So goodbye and enjoy.